Welcome to our vlog!
Good morning, guys! Happy Saturday! Say hi, guys. Zeb!
Hello.
So where are we going?
Going to a zoo.
Yeah, we're going to a zoo that is outside of Calgary. We are going to Innisfail, Alberta. It's a 1-hour drive from kung sa bahay namin. So, mga late na rin kasi kami. Biglang lakad. Mga 9 o'clock, 9:30 nung nagde-decide. Binigyan namin sila ng options kung saan gusto pumunta. Kung gusto yung down karting or yung parang, kasi I think it's the same as Luge sa Singapore. Yung Granary Road is something similar to Calgary Farmyard, yung pinuntahan namin last year. Ano pa ba? Sa Bragg Creek, mostly rivers, ponds, ganyan. Tapos, yung isa na kayaking, malapit lang supposedly. Tapos, itong zoo, which is 1 hour away. Tapos, magsasara sila ng alas 5. So, it's now 11:42. So, nung umalis kami ng bahay, mga 10:30, 10:40 something, and sabi kasi mag-drive-thru na lang kami sa McDo o kung saan man. Pero yung timing na yun is breakfast menu pa. Diba? 11 o'clock nag-change. So, sabi ko, pag along the way may nadaanan tayo ng past 11, doon tayo bumili. So, may nadaanan kami. Kita ba? Ay, hindi pala kita dito. Diyan sa likod, may Burger King. Ayun, nakita ko yung logo ng Burger King. Nasa gas station kami ngayon. Pagdating namin sa parking ng Burger King, closed yung Burger King. Katabi niya 7-Eleven. Kaya, puro 7-Eleven food. Buti na lang yung 7-Eleven. Marami mga pagkain. So, meron silang chicken. Chicken's good. Itong taquitos. Tawad ko kung saan ko to unang 7-Eleven na tikman. Sa Singapore ba o sa Pinas pa. Hindi ko na maalala. Pero, masakal na ako nila nakakain ko. Tapos, mga iced coffee. Si Zeb, ano din siya, hotdog bun. Si good? So, yun. Mas papagas lang. And then, tuloy ang pag-drive, ang biyahe. Siguro mga ano pa kami, 30 to 40 minutes away. So, yeah. Say hi, Daddy.
Huh?
Say hi. Hi. Okay, oh. Okay, let's go. Kami.
Turn left, then take the first right. Turn right, then take.
Okay, let's go in. We made it. Uh-oh, dinosaurs. Alright, so we are inside. Ano to? Washroom. First stop tong dalawa. And we got the map. I forgot how much was the entrance per person, but iba yung price ng adults at children as usual. Basta apat kami was $84. And yeah, may mga shows. Like ito, 1 o'clock may show. And then mayroon ding 2:30. 1 o'clock show is with the wolves. Tapos 2:30 bear. And 4 o'clock yung dino. So yeah. And then mayroong free na Dairy Queen na buy one get one for free. Pero dito lang sa branch na malapit. So kailangan mas maganda gamitin mo na ngayon kasi dadayo ka dito for 1 hour for the buy one get one. Grabe, din kami, na-delay kami ng mga 20 minutes kasi may accident doon sa highway kanina. So, na-traffic kami ng mga 20 minutes. So, yeah! Excited?
Yes.
Mainit. Meron silang golf cart na pwedeng irentahan pero pag weekends, pang senior lang pwede. Okay, let's go! Okay, first animal that we see is the tortoise. It's over there.
Toodles.
Hi, Toodles.
That's his name?
Yeah, it says there on the...
Toodles.
Yeah.
Hi, Toodles.
But he's so sad. He's
Toodles.
alone. He doesn't have a friend here.
Yeah.
Griffin.
What's his name?
My basketball team
Here in
now.
Alberta, they are also the largest subspecies. Being that these wolves can be found all over the world, northern world, they range in size dramatically, anywhere from 40 to 60 pounds, all the way up to 80 to 120, even 150 pounds. The world record for the largest wolf, gray wolf ever was in Alaska, and it was 175.
They're just like dogs. They can do the sit.
These boys here are about 100 pounds.
Monkey.
Monkey!
It's not Daddy. Daddy. Father.
This is a very big, humongous property.
Alasa.
Alasa. And, but yeah, the animals are not like side by side together. Look at the cages. Like, it's so big. And actually, you can camp here. So it's either you bring your own RV, you set up a tent, or rent a cabin. So nag-check ako kung magkano. Yung cabin sila, minimum of 2 nights. Parang abutin ng 250 ata o 280 to rent kasi 2 nights. Hindi ako pwede sa schedule ko. Kailangan ko paalam ng isang araw para makapag-overnight ng 2 nights. Tapos, you bring your own cooking utensils, lahat. So, baka hindi kami mag-survive. Wala naman kaming mga parang cooking na pang-camping. Cooking gears. Cooking utensils na pang-camping. So, ang maiisip ko lang is magdala ng microwave para maiinit mo yung food. Tsaka rice cooker. Yun. May saksakan pero walang mga appliances. So, yeah. Pero ang nice sana. Okay, there's a bear. Again. Oh. There's another one there rolling. Doing the roly-poly. Maraming mga picnic tables, chairs, and even dyan pwede kayong kumain. Bring your own food. I think you should be okay. Merong concessionaire sa unahan, pero like nachos, popcorn, hot dogs, I believe. So, tsaka mga drinks. And may playground dito. I don't know kung makikita natin kung nasan yung mga cabins. If it's separate parking from where we parked. But yeah. What's in here? Raven. What's a raven?
What?
What's a raven?
That's a black bird.
Oh. Oh yeah.
But that's a deer.
Okay, let's go there.
There's up there.
Oh yeah.
What sound do ostriches make?
I don't know.
Okay.
Which one do you think is tender?
Who?
Which one is tender? Oh,
Yeah.
Hi.
give me your fence. Is that? Oh, I think it's electrocuted the other side.
Rocket, but he didn't get extra. Back in my day, we had to walk to school. We weren't riding in those goofy old time teleporters thingies. So back in my day, walk to school.
The adult bears were physically confiscated, and when we inquired what was going to happen to these two, we were told it was inconclusive. I'm sure many of you think is their absolute best sense, and it's what they rely on almost 100% of the time. To give you an idea of how amazing that nose is, the average dog smells about 100 times better than us people. Bears smell 2,100 times better than us people. We're never going to fool their nose. That is important to keep in mind when we're traveling in bear country, because anything that has an odor could attract the bear.
Okay, we are done. Ang init kasi. Alam na, alas 3. Kakatapos lang nung bear show. And yung next is 4 o'clock. Tapos about the dinosaurs, which are obviously fake. So, mga more like from mga younger kids na lang yun. So, sabi ng dalawa, let's go na daw. So, we're going. Pero, daan muna tayo dun ulit sa well, kung saan kami pumasok. So, may gift shop, may mga food. Parang gusto ko ng slushy kasi ang init. Tsaka, meron pang mga small animals dun eh, na nasa loob na we can look at. So, yeah. Sakit sa balat. Hey guys, we're home. Actually, medyo kanina pa, nakalimutan ko lang. Isa-isang maliligo. Actually, tapos na si Zeb. Zach is next, and then me, and then Daddy. Baby. Ang lagkit! Kasi nga, ang init. And yun. Maya-maya ay magluluto na tayo ng dinner. At pambaon ko bukas. Back to work na naman. Another 5 days. Anyways, yeah.
Hi.
Si Daddy, kala mo podcaster, oh. May setup pa yan ng ano, parang mic. Di, parang mic talaga. Tapos, hindi ko alam yung tawag doon sa screen. Diba? Kala mo nagpa-podcast. Anyways, yeah. I don't know yet. I don't know what's for dinner. I'm so tired.
Or BK?
So, we'll see. Hey guys, alas 8 na. Hindi. 7:40. I'm cooking sinigang. That's for their lunch tomorrow, since nga may pasok ako, may pasok si Daddy. And alas 9 ang pasok ko. Then for dinner, nagluto ako ng ano to? Chicken. Sa Costco ba to or sa ating sa grocery, nakabox siya, tapos lulutuin sa air fryer, and then meron siyang kasamang barbecue sauce, masarap. And then nag-air fryer din ako ng pork belly kasi nang hirap magbaon ng sinigang. Well, pwede rin naman nilang dinner itong sinigang, pero hindi na nila naantay dahil intentionally ko talaga yan for lunch tomorrow. Pero kung magutom ulit, pwede kumain si Zach kasi paborito niya yan. And then, yun nga, nag-iwan ako ng 4 na slices ng pork belly para baon ko bukas sa work dahil hindi mo ako nagbabaon ng may sabaw. Ang hirap ng may sabaw kasi pag nasa bag ko, kakalog-kalog, baka matatapon lang. Ayoko naman yung may separate bag pa for that. So, yun. That's what I'm doing. It's so hot. Lagit na ako. Init na ako, pero sabi ko, syempre, ayoko maligo nang hindi pa ako tapos sa mga kailangan kong gawin. And, yun. Magulog pa yung camera ko talaga. Sige. Anyways, so yun lang guys. Let's end the day. At, it's gonna be a long day, long week again sa work. Getting there. Naka 1 month na tayo nung, kailan ba? Friday. Kahapon. 1 month na tayo. Yay! And there's still a lot to learn. Pero kahit pa paano, nagagamay na yung mga dapat magamay. Pero there's still a lot of pa rin, like situation or mga cases na I have to confirm, I have to ask kung paano i-handle, ganun. Ay, anyways, let's end the day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Na-enjoy naman mga bata. Taging reklamo lang is yung init ng araw. Although ito kasi nagsa-start siya magbukas ng, I think sa website nakalagay nag-start sila mag-open ng May 30. Siguro okay din pumunta ng medyo malamig-lamig. Sabi nga ni Zeb, dapat daw fall kami nagpunta. So, kasi hanggang September 30 yata siya open. Pero ayoko naman nung makapal yung suot. Or, yeah, masaya din ng summer. Pero yun, sakit sa balat. Tapos yan, for sure, nangitim na naman ako. For sure yan. Yeah, a lot of walking and ang laki nung lugar, but I feel like hindi naman siya ganun karaming animals like in a normal zoo. Yung mga giraffe, zebra, walang ganon, walang mga rhino. So it's typical, mga nandoon is yung mostly na vlog ko. Yung iba hindi ko na vlog kasi mga nagtatago or ang hirap po na ng camera kasi nasa likod ng something and hindi yung fence, hindi ako makakaikot. So, hindi ko na kinunan mga unggoy, yung porcupine, natutulog, ano pa, yung mga lion, tiger, cougar, yung mga, marami-rami ako hindi nakunan, pero, hindi siya yung katulad ng like sa Singapore Zoo na ang daming animal, tapos meron din mga aquatic dun, diba? Meron nasa aquarium, pero ito, wala. Anyways, enjoy naman. Yun yan, mahabang drive lang, 1 hour. Pero yan, at least nakalabas tayo ng, Calgary. Mabot tayo ng Innisfail, yung pangalan ng lugar. Anyway, ayan. I'm gonna end the vlog. I'll see you on the next one. I don't know when. Again, ayoko mag-commit. Ayan, bye guys. Thanks for watching.